Norman Foster. Norman Foster was born in Manchester in 1935. At the age of 21, he started the architecture career, which he paid himself. After graduating from Manchester University School of Architecture and City Planning in 1961, he won a Henry Fellowship to Yale University, where he gained a master's degree in architecture. He founded Foster Plus Partners in 1967 in London, a company responsible for a strikingly wide range of work. He currently leads a team of dozen professionals with worldwide practice and project office in more than 20 countries. Foster Plus Partners have received several awards and citations. In his work, he constantly defends his position on the impact of architecture on the human behavior. He ensures that good architecture creates better human beings. He breaks the universality and schemes in the design of offices, skyscrapers, museums, transportation, and public spaces. He is considered an architect of the global era. His designs, inspired by the industry and high technology, captive the world for its complexity and futuristic beauty. His high-tech style is characterized by the design and creation of mixed, flexible, and diaphanous spaces, without barriers, well-ventilated and illuminated with natural light, regardless of a scale. His works express a structured scheme facility system visually brilliant, with a slow, balanced, symmetrical, and quiet rhythm of lines as a reflection of Foster's personality. The obsessive use of natural light is one of his hallmarks, created by huge windows and the use of glass, making clear, bright, wide, and airy spaces. To follow this harmonic line, his buildings are filled with white and pastel colors, and lays bare the metallic color of steel. The spaces are wide open, but not without a certain road. His works have a design configuration based not only on architectural concepts, but also on the technological and engineering concepts that allows the creation of a circulation well articulated, either inside or outside the building. This engineer knowledge in his architecture also takes into account the acoustics of the buildings. He used structural elements needed to isolate the sounds and create an appropriate acoustics flow, according to the context, function, and users of the building. He gathers all these aspects under a new green building concept. His passion for the environmental impact of architecture led him to manage projects such as Masdar, Abu Dhabi, the first city with zero carbon emissions. The work that made him famous was the Bank of Hong Kong in Shanghai in 1985. Norman Foster is the author of the world's tallest bridge, the Mila Viaduct in France, and the largest single building on the planet, Beijing Airport. These are some of his most emblematic projects. Foster is a passionate and motivated architect who seems not to stop. He is a compulsive artist who explains his vision of the world through fast and accurate strokes. He is never satisfied. He seeks for the best, the quality, and the utopia of perfection. Everything is known about him, because he has given countless interviews and he has a documentary. How heavy is your building, Mr. Foster? A strong personality of clear opinion is reflected in the 50 years of visionary architecture he has done. An architecture that works in terms of all the senses, with a spiritual dimension that can be no measure, but you know is there, and it comes to life to move you and move your spirit.